What if I told you that you do not have to suffer to become a more productive person in your life? Hi, my name is Solane. We talk all things self-improvement, and today I'm going to show you that productivity is not only for efficiency, but it's also for fun. Now, I'll even give you a freebie that will make becoming a more productive person effortless. The objective of the sport is to get to the finish line faster than your opponent to win. Much like track, productivity is all about getting to the finish line in the most efficient way possible. So here's how you will make it to the end of your finish line. In any sports, there are 4 components that you need to be made aware of. Similarly to track, the first component to mastering productivity is the objective, which is simple. You just have to complete all of the tasks that you have within whatever time frame that you give yourself in the most efficient and effective way. But how can you find what is your objective? Using a to-do list or an agenda will actually do just fine. Like any sport, there is a set of rules, unless you're a particular combative sport, which no one ever seems to want to mention to me.
The first rule of Fight Club is, you do not talk about Fight Club.
So the rules for this game is to simply do your objective without getting burnt out. But this could be extremely difficult, which actually brings us into our next component. After any competitive sports match, there's always an award for the winner. How will you know if you even won in the first place? You have to be able to track your progress. So to track your progress, there are only 3 things that you need: mini objectives or milestones to break up your bigger objective, a progress tracker of some sort. It could be a habit tracker, your to-do list, anything that is used to track progress, and the reward itself. Make sure the reward is something that makes you feel that your efforts were worth it. Becoming a productive person can sometimes be difficult. So to make sure that you're successfully winning this game, watch this playlist that I have created for you. If you're struggling to find the tools that you need to defeat your obstacles, don't worry, because I created a freebie which will give you the tools you need to defeat each obstacle that was mentioned in this video. And remember, to be a great champion, compete with the best. But to be the greatest champion, compete with yourself.